In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have your HubSpot portal connected to Zapier so you can automate routine tasks and keep data in sync without manual work. Before we start, make sure you can log into your HubSpot account and that you have access to install Marketplace apps. You'll also need a Zapier subscription or trial, since the connection will prompt you to sign in on Zapier's side. Begin inside your HubSpot portal and head to the user guide area. Think of this as your jumping off point for tools and resources within HubSpot. From here, look for the option labeled Marketplace. This is where HubSpot centralizes integrations that extend what your CRM can do, and it's the safest path to install vetted apps. Open the HubSpot Marketplace. You'll be taken to the App Marketplace, which includes thousands of integrations. If you don't see the Marketplace option, you may need admin permissions, so check with your account administrator before moving on. In the Marketplace search bar, type Zapier, keep your spelling simple, Zapier, and wait for the results to load. You should see the official Zapier listing appear. This listing will include an overview of what the integration does, the permissions it needs, and details on pricing or plan requirements. It's a good idea to glance over those details to confirm it fits your needs and your HubSpot subscription level. Click the Zapier listing to open it. On the listing page, you'll find more information about how the integration connects, common use cases, and user reviews. Take a moment to review the overview and make sure you're comfortable with the access it requests. This helps avoid surprises later and ensures you're connecting the correct HubSpot account if you manage multiple portals. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will prompt you that a Zapier subscription is required and then redirect you to a Zapier page. Sign into your Zapier account with your usual credentials. If asked, confirm that you want to connect HubSpot to Zapier and approve the requested permissions. This authorization securely links the two platforms. For your security, never share your login details in chat or with anyone you don't trust. Once you've signed in and completed the prompt, the connection is established. Your HubSpot CRM is now linked with Zapier, and you're ready to start using automations that pass information between the two. That's it. Your integration is live, and you can now leverage Zapier to streamline your HubSpot workflows.